Have you ever wanted a robot helper to do simple tasks? Now you can build your own. This project teaches you to make an Android-controlled robotic arm vehicle. This robot can move around, pick up objects, and even place them in different locations. This project is perfect for beginners who want to learn about robotics and programming. You will learn about electronics, mechanics, and software development. With this knowledge, you can build your own custom robots. Imagine your robot helping with chores around the house or assisting in a workshop. The possibilities are endless. Let's get started building your very own robotic assistant. Before building, we need to gather the necessary components. Here's what you'll need. Robotic arm. This is the main body of our robot, consisting of several joints and links. Soft catching gripper. This allows the robot to gently grasp and lift objects. Imagine picking up an egg without breaking it. Robotic vehicle. This platform will be the base for our robotic arm, providing mobility. Microcontroller. This is the brain of our robot, controlling all its actions. Motors. These provide the power to move the robotic arm and vehicle. Bluetooth module. This allows our robot to receive commands from our Android phone. Driver IC. This helps control the speed and direction of the motors. Battery. This will be the power source for our robot. Now that we have all our components, let's move on to assembling our robot. First, we'll assemble the robotic arm. Follow the instructions provided with your robotic arm kit. Each joint will be connected using screws and nuts. Attach the soft-catching gripper to the end of the arm. Make sure all connections are secure. Next, we'll put together the robotic vehicle. This usually involves connecting wheels to a base platform using screws and nuts. Ensure the wheels rotate smoothly. Now mount the robotic arm onto the vehicle platform. We will use strong adhesive tape or brackets to secure the base of the arm to the vehicle. Ensure the arm is stable and doesn't wobble. With the mechanical assembly complete, let's connect the electronics. Section 4. Bringing your robot to life with code. Now, let's program the microcontroller, the brain of our robot. We'll use a programming language like Arduino or C++. First, connect the microcontroller to your computer using a USB cable. Next, we'll write the code that will control our robot's movements. We'll write instructions for the microcontroller to receive commands via Bluetooth from our Android phone. This code will also control the motors for the robotic arm and vehicle. Once the code is written, we need to upload it to the microcontroller. This process is called flashing. Connect the Bluetooth module and driver IC to the microcontroller. Ensure all connections are correctly made. Now, with the code uploaded, our robot is ready to receive instructions. Section 5. Controlling your robot with your phone. We'll use an Android app to control our robot. Several apps are available for free on the Google Play Store. Download and install one of these apps. Open the app and pair it with the Bluetooth module on our robot. This usually involves searching for available Bluetooth devices and selecting the one associated with your robot. Once paired, the app will act as a remote control for our robot. You can use the app to control the arm's movement, open and close the gripper, and drive the vehicle around. Congratulations! You can now control your robot with your phone. Section 6. Putting your robot to work. Our Android-controlled robotic arm vehicle has many practical applications. In industrial settings, similar robots are used for tasks like assembling products, packaging items, and inspecting goods for quality control. This helps automate processes, making them faster and more efficient. At home, you can program your robot to do simple tasks like fetching objects, cleaning up spills, or even watering plants. This can be especially helpful for people with mobility issues. With some creativity, the possibilities are endless. Section 7. The future of robots in our lives. As technology advances, robots will play an increasingly important role in our lives. They can help us with everyday tasks, making our lives easier and more convenient. Building and programming your own robots is a great way to learn about this exciting field. It's a fun and rewarding experience that can spark a passion for STEM. So why not start building your own robot today?